Hey guys, welcome back to YUZU. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. We're testing out Resident Evil 6 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and it's Resident Evil 6, guys, because I hadn't done it yet. Why not? This is a benchmark channel. I benchmark crap. Deal with it. So I decided to do all the Resident Evils. They'll be coming shortly. I want to do all of them on RPCS, Xenia, and YUZU. Obviously I won't do all of them all at the same time, but we'll have them done before April's over with, I imagine. And yeah, I just wanted to test it out. Now this is using YUZU 989 and 987 got a real big increase in performance for low-end CPUs. Now this is a 4-core 8-threaded CPU. I don't know if this is still better performance. I don't know. I'll see in a second. To be honest, the way this loaded made me believe it was, but hey. It made me believe there was better performance, but that wasn't gameplay. Let's get into that gameplay. You know, this is the first time I'm launching the game, so it will be compiling shaders, which is kind of the point. Holy crap, I compile 71 shaders fast. I do feel like there is a big improvement. There is a bit of an improvement. This wouldn't have done this before. To be honest, based on this, I would believe Resident Evil is playable from the jump. Resident Evil 6 is playable from the jump. It's kind of impressive, actually. It looks that way. The RAV usage, though, is absurd, as usual. Yeah, this is running really well. Now, for whatever reason, if you want to play Resident Evil 6 on the YUZU emulator, the Nintendo Switch, here it is. It runs at 60 on relatively low-end hardware. For emulation, at least. For emulation, at least. This is basically me. I test things on a lower-end CPU and GPU than you normally see people testing on YouTube, the YouTube space. I want to show you guys that you don't need high-end stuff to high-end CPUs and GPUs to be able to run these emulated games. They run really well. Wow, this looks really good. Wow, this looks really good. This is probably the PS4 version, isn't it? Damn, I fell. The frame times are really good as well. I do feel like there has been an improvement with YUZU. I don't believe Resident Evil 6 should run this good. It's running really well. When it crashes on you in the middle of recording and then you're just there like, well, this is awkward. Because it did that to me just now. I must admit, it looks really good. Really shot me to 60 FPS. I'm gonna test some more YUZU games, man. This is gonna make me want to really test this out. I might test out some older stuff as well. Now, it could be just Resident Evil 6. Doesn't really have that much demand, but YUZU has shown me otherwise. That everything builds shaders and will hurt. This is actually playable from the jump, which is crazy. Not many YUZU games I can say that for. And I can say, hey, you can play this with ease.
Let's try this way.
I don't think I've tested this on the YUZU before. I definitely haven't. There's no way. Because otherwise this is a pointless video if I have. And that would suck. It really would suck. When you post so much you can't even keep track, bro. Yeah, I expect areas like here to, you know, show a little less frames. I expect here. Listen, I thought Resident Evil 6 was a banger of a game, okay? Yeah, some certain aspects were a bit hard. So Leon's campaign was definitely the best one. Chris's, I kind of hated that, to be honest with you, but hey, it worked.
There's gotta be a first aid kit in here somewhere.
Look at it, it's running really damn well.
Makes me sick seeing good soldiers die like this.
Yeah? But get ready to see some more. I just saw that cut out on me again. I was there like, are you kidding me? But anyway, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the rest of the gameplay.
She's not doing too good. She needs medical attention.
Do you have any herbs left?
A few, but I'm not sure they'll help.
Okay, listen. Just follow my instructions.
Hold on, Helena. Too many good agents have died here today. You're not getting added to that list.
Leon.
Damn it, out of ammo! Can't let your guard down for a second. How do you feel?
I think I'm gonna be okay. Thank you.
Leon, what are you doing? You need to get out of there, now!
We're heading to the quad tower.
What? No, it's too dangerous.
There are BSAA agents there with survivors. I can't abandon them.
All right. Then let me help. I'll direct you to the safest route.
Thanks, Hunnigan.
I've sent over the field guide to your PDA. You can always refer to that in a pinch.
What the hell?
You got it.
Hunnigan, can we make it to the tower this way?
Yes, just keep moving in that direction.